Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be dismantling a Mercedes B-Class door mirror W245. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. Here I had a mirror that had a damaged indicator, so I'll just dismantle it for you guys. In order, we will need to remove the glass, then the cover, then the indicator. Removing the glass is just getting in between the glass with the mirror with your fingers and pulling it off as it's held on by clips. Generally, the heated glass cables come off, but otherwise you'll need to remove it like so in the video. Once the glass is off, what holds the cover in place is 4 clips. Don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. Now, the mistake I made was not removing these clips completely. As you can see, there's one over here. Make sure they're unclipped completely. Do this simultaneously, otherwise you'll break it while removing it, which is what happened to me. I got too confident. Make sure they're fully unclipped, and then the mirror cover should be a pop out kind of effect. Over here you can see it should be like this, however the other ones have been broken, so remove them simultaneously and then continue. For the indicator, there's 2 clips towards the bottom, the same idea as the mirror cover, and then there is a top locator clip which you can just detach, and then it'll be a pull off and detaching the cable. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.